5 and welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson with me, Miss Medlicott. Today's lesson we're going to be converting improper fractions to mixed numbers. So our learning objectives: to understand what an improper fraction is, to understand what a mixed number is, and to use the bar model to convert between the two. So in other words, convert means to change. Right then, your warm-up for today. What fraction of the bar is shaded blue? What fraction of the bar is shaded green? How many parts are yellow? Just take care with that one. How the bars have been arranged. And then question 4 is more or less than 1/4 shaded. Pause the video now to answer the question. Right then, here are the answers on your screen. So what fraction of the bar is shaded blue? Well, we can see 3 out of the 5 have been shaded blue. So we've got our non-unit fraction of 3/5. What fraction of the bar is shaded green? Well, all of the parts of the bar have been shaded. So it's 8 out of 8, which is the same as 1 whole. Well done if you got that. Now question 3, I did warn you, is a little bit harder. Notice how the bar, we've actually got 2 bars here, and they've each been split into 4 equal parts. 1 whole bar has been coloured in, well noticed. Plus we've got 1 here. So if we were to write it as a mixed number, I would write it as so. We've got 1 whole and 1/4. If I wanted to write it as an improper fraction, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 over 4 have been coloured, and that's an example of an improper fraction. We'll come on to those definitions in a very, very short moment. And then question 4 is more or less than 1/4 shaded. Well, actually it's more, isn't it? Because as you can see, the bar has been split into 4 parts, but they are not of equal size. They are not the same size as each other. We can see that this red part is bigger than the others. So it's not, it's more than 1/4 that's been shaded. Well done if you got those correct. Okay, so what's an improper fraction and a mixed number? Well, you might remember me just saying an improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. It's bigger than, okay? So in this example here, we have 3 over 2. The numerator, 3, is bigger than the 2. A mixed number is a number consisting of an integer and a proper fraction. An integer is a whole number, okay? An integer is the mathematical term for a whole number. And it also, a mixed number includes a proper fraction. So I've written here the equivalent to 3 over 2 is the same as 1½ Okay, we've got our integer is the 1 and the half is a proper fraction. And we can see how it's been drawn as a bar model. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3 parts shaded, but we've only got the bars split into 2. Okay, so that's why we write it 3 over 2. Okay, have a go now at converting the improper fraction to a mixed number. Notice how many parts the whole has been split into. That will give you your denominator. And look to see, what would your integer be? What would your whole number be? And what's then left over? Pause the video to have a go. Okay, let's go through this together then. So 7/3, 7 over 3, because it's all been split into 3. All of these shapes have been split into thirds. 7/3 is 1 whole. 2 wholes, so it would be 2 and 1/3. 2 and 1/3. Well done if you got that correct. Okay, can you have a go now at converting the improper fraction to a mixed number? Pause the video now and convert the improper fraction to a mixed number. Fantastic. So we have here 3, 1, 2, 3 whole bars. So that's our mixed number. Sorry, that's the positive integer of the mixed number, the 3. And then in this last bar here, 5 out of the 6 have been shaded. So as a mixed number, it is 3 and 5/6. As an improper fraction, I have 23 of these parts shaded in, and each bar has been split into 6. So as an improper fraction, it's 23/6. Very well done if you got that correct. If you didn't, I suggest that you rewind the video and watch the introduction again. Okay, so Fluency challenge, green chili pepper challenge is on the screen. Yellow chili pepper challenge and red chili pepper challenge. Pause the video now to choose which chili pepper challenge you'd like to do and complete the task. Okay, well done everyone. Here are the green chili pepper answers. Pause the video to mark it. Yellow chili pepper challenge, pause the video to mark your work. Red chili pepper challenge, pause the video to mark your work. Okay, now we're going to move on to the reasoning task. So if you're having a go at the reasoning tasks, green chili peppers, you are going to have a look to see that what Amir has said, whether you agree or not. And Amir is saying that 4 quarters, I'll say that again. 5/4, so 5 quarters, is less than 6/7 because 5 is less than 6. Do you agree? Explain your answer. You can draw a bar model or a picture to help you. So with this, I suggest you draw the bars, okay? So you're going to draw your bars. So think about how many parts you're going to be splitting the bar into. I'm giving you a big hint here by pointing at a particular number. It's the denominator, good. And you've got to shade in, good, it's the numerator. So whatever the numerator is, that's how much you're going to shade in, okay? So that's green chili pepper challenge. Yellow, it's the same principle as green, but you've got slightly different fractions. Again, I'd like you to draw a bar model or use a picture to help you. And red chili pepper challenge, we have they are different improper fractions for you to have a look at to compare. Again, I suggest that you draw a picture to help you. Okay, your answers. So for green chili pepper challenge, I disagree because 5 quarters is the same as 1 1/4, whereas 6/7 is less than 1. Yellow, your answer is up on the screen. 12/3 is equal to 4, whereas 11/7 is equal to 1 4/7. And then red, you also disagree with Amir because 28/3 is equal to 9 1/3 and 37/5 is equal to 7 2/5. Okay, pause the video now to mark your work. Right then, and now we are at the problem solving stage of our lesson. What are the possible missing numbers? So here, Year 5, you're going to try and fill in the blanks by converting the mixed number to an improper fraction. What could those missing digits be? Again, you might want to draw a bar model to help you. Pause the video now to complete the task. Okay, well done. And there are some possible answers on the screen. As you can see, lots of different possibilities. Very well done if you got those correct. Okay, Year 5, that's now the end of today's session. I would suggest if you have got stuck or you're not too sure about something, please rewind the video and have another go at the questions or go over the introductions to help you. I'll see you all next time. Bye!